I don't think so.
Drowning, whatever it is.
No, don't. No.
Good son of a bitch.
No, it's skimming on the water.
Come on, we got stuff to make s'mores.
S'mores.
I know.
S'mores.
So, this is... Are we renaming ourselves? What is our new productions company?
Wrong Way Productions.
Wrong Way Productions. Yeah. Trip to Indian Point Park in Painesville/Menders/Madison, Ohio.
Beyond popular belief, it's actually very beautiful here. I love it.
It's like, for Ohio.
Pretty. Ashley, stop throwing rocks!
Go check out what new food Molly's mom got.
Yeah, there's our camping spot right there.
I don't think
probably all blurry from the sun, but...
We should put in the water.
Put what in the water? Food! Yay!
Pulling on her ass.
Nice, sexy, wet ass. Oh.
Hey!
Regular potato salad. It's okay.
It's not taking pictures and...
I should probably go get my other camera. Oh, maybe we'll find something in the... like little fishies.
I hope we don't find anything in the water.
See, she got attacked by a leech earlier.
There were leeches in the other river.
The other part of the river. Oh. That's deeper, and you can go swimming.
Come here, you can see it. You can still see where it got right there.
Ouch.
It's disgusting.
Are those little minnows or those?
Yes.
Minnows. The water's nice and
too much.
The water is nice and warm.
I know, but my skirt is gonna get wet.
And whose fault is that?
I know.
Then again, I'm in my shorts, so.
I'm not so afraid of leeches here as I was in that other water.
Because you can see everything in here?
You can see this water.
Hot dogs! Yay!
Yeah,
no,
but it's on the bottom.
Oh.
Does that mean I have to hold the towel up again? Yeah. I kind of what that means. Molly? Huh?
You want to go swim?
Get me
I thought you were afraid of the leeches.
But not in the green thingy?
No.
Or the Molly, are you going to go in the water with us?
No.
Please? Why not?
Leeches, my dear, leeches.
So you're not going to come swimming with us again?
It's all Scott's fault.
Molly, are you swimming?
No, it's all that snapping turtle's fault.
Yeah, we blame the snapping turtle.
Yeah.
I'm glad you remember.
If we hadn't seen that snapping turtle, it wouldn't have sent the leech after Amanda.
Oh, golly.
She has a...
Can I have the ketchup?
No.
Stop recording. Give me the ketchup.
No.
Do you like seafood? Give me the ketchup. Becky, give me the ketchup.
I'm not ticklish.
I know. Just put it up.
Oh, that's like kidney.
Give me the ketchup.
Ow, my knee. Are you playing with someone?
Ow. What?
Okay, look like. Where? That Amanda's hand.
Oh, rocking stick.
Your face looks redder.
Longer ago than.
She probably has sunburn.
Even more. Amanda and her stick.
Half of the bitches.
What the fuck is that?
Pretty sure it's toilet paper.
Okay.
Oh, you look at this.
What?
It's pretty pink.
Oh, that's cool. Should I take a picture of it? Should I take a picture? That looks like a tree frog. But then again, this is a red frog. Wait, where? Oh, there it is. Cute little froggy.
Ashley's love for frogs.
She's playing with it in the water right now, as if it was her own child.
Start swimming. Come on. Start swimming. Start swimming.
You're being mean to it.
No, I'm not.
Do you think it's supposed, is it supposed to be in the water?
That's a little froggy. Probably not. Mosquito, that's why it is. Hey, Ashley.
But you're a genius.
Yeah.
Do you think anyone wants to see that?
Falling down.
Ew, and these are the same picnic tables, Amanda.
Yeah,
I don't care, I have pie.
The correct response would be, I have a plate, it's okay. But no, Amanda's looking at a pie.
Yesterday I was 24, 25, and we were going together.
Actually,
You're now keying into the fact that there's pie.
yeah, there's pie.
Welcome to the country of 21.
Oh, see, this is how we respond. We're like, we hear the magic word, and we come for it.
I don't like pie.
And you like pie.
We hear the word.
I like
my finger
pie. Do you like apple pie?
No, I do not.
How can you not like apple pie?
Okay. And then you go in the park.
don't like apple pie.
Big bush in the place.
Can I put on my shorts?
Sorry, no, I wasn't even talking about that.
that. Does he drive a car?
Ryan
Clancy? Yes. No, Ryan. No, not Ryan.
Black and Death.
No.
This is only the This is only the halfway point, by the way.
Not even halfway.
Looks halfway.
Shut up, Scott. No one likes your fat ass. Get down here.
See the river. Oh, you okay?
Get in there. Fuck you.
We only got, I don't know. How's your ass feel right now?
Very, very uncomfortable. It's not really my ass.
Very clogged up.
Stomach. Yeah. That would be very
Oh. Turn around, Molly, this way.
I did not do that.
We're wonderful friends.
Yeah, I know I am.
Becky,
I'm gonna kill you. Well, if we just pulled it down and she flies.
oh my god, Val is enjoying being tortured.
Fuck you.
Sorry, your hair's there.
Huh?
What is this? What kind of snake is this?
Guys, don't.
We're not.
Correct me if I'm wrong, but no poisonous snakes in the state of Ohio?
Yeah,
Yeah, there are.
Just ate a mouse.
Yep. I just want to regurgitate it.
If you, then you are of them.
It's just like, what's going on here?
Are you recording it?
Yeah.
It moves cool.
Yeah.
Okay, shit, moving out of the way. Can't
Okay. Are they counting how many stairs there are? Stop it. Dude, that is amazing that at one time the river was that high. Now it's down to here. Little fishies! Not sure if you can see this so clearly. And there's our campsite over there somewhere, yonder. That's really cool. Can I go a little closer?
No.
Okay.
Broke.
Georgie Stevens?
I would cry.
Yeah, who is he?
I'm so mad I can
Well,
break through.
whoever he is, he's one lucky bastard to get that much of a hunk of granite. Not gonna lie.
Stevens revealed his love of...
Here, I got it. See the whole river. And this, my friends, is the Grand River.
Hey, there's a really good picture over here.
Okay, I'll go over there. Raider.
Look, there's your turtle, you dumb bitches.
Where's the dumb... Wait,
The log over there?
I don't...
Okay, first off, we were nowhere near rocks.
Oh, it is a log. Ha.
We weren't there yet.
Yeah.
This is where we were swimming.
Yeah. What?
Lord.
Another family / person gets another fucking granite rock.
How come we don't get granite rocks, Becky? We've done a really great service.
Ooh!
We got our $50 card. Can we like kind of... Ow! That hurt.
Trying to
Not
get,
you too.
trying to get nature shots.